If you try to remove your phone number on Instagram like this, I'm sure you won't succeed. Because you did it the wrong way. But don't worry, in this video I will explain how to remove a cell phone number on Instagram in the right and fast way. Okay. So to delete your phone number on Instagram, you need to open Instagram using a web browser. I emphasize, if you use the Instagram app, this tutorial will not work. Once you have opened Instagram in your web browser, go to your profile. Then, click on Edit Profile. The next step, scroll down and delete your phone number. The final step, click Submit. Okay, after doing this, your cell phone number will automatically be deleted from your Instagram account. If this tutorial helps solve your problem, please subscribe and like this video. Write in the comments column what tutorial you need right now.